Hi everyone, it's Disability Attorney Andrew November, and thank you for making it this far. So you've obviously watched our videos about why you should secure your social media, so you're ready to learn how to secure your social media. So we're starting with Facebook. Facebook is probably the most targeted because it has the most substantive information. It's got pictures, it's got words, it's got a lot of information that the insurance company is going to love to read. So what we're going to do is we're going to guide you through the desktop version of how to update your privacy settings. So let's start that right now. First thing you want to do is click the arrow on the right side of your screen, and then from there you're going to see settings and privacy. Just click that. You can then click review a few privacy settings. I believe this is your first option. And then you're going to need to click who can see what you share. Again, we're trying to avoid the insurance company from seeing what you share. So click there, click continue, and then from here, scroll through the options and make them all friends or only me, depending on what you share. Now, if you're the type of person who just adds everyone that sends you a friend request, be careful about sharing friends because you don't know who you've added. The safest way, but not the most fun way, is clicking only me. So think thoughtfully about who your audience is, who's on your friend list. If you need to delete people, I do it all the time, get them off your friend list. You don't need people seeing your information that you want to keep private. Alright, so once you've decided friends are only me, you click next. Alright, I think this is the most important step personally, because you're going to see a question that says future posts and stories. You need to make sure that it's set to friends. That way you're covering all of your bases. Now what's even more important than that is your past posts. You need to click that and make sure that it's friends or only me as well, because what you're trying to do with these past two steps is make sure that everything in the future and everything in the past is private, not just the things that you're doing right now. So it's really important. You don't want to just cover 1/3 of your profile. You want to cover past and future posts. So if you need to watch the video again and run through those steps to make sure that you click them correctly, please do. Alright, once you've limited your future and you've limited your past posts, then you'll hit next. You'll see your block list. Nothing to do there unless you feel like blocking somebody. And then you click next again and you're done. So it's a few steps. It's different from a mobile device, but it's similar. If you watch this video, you can probably navigate around to your mobile device, and unfortunately it's different from Apple and Android, but it generally follows the same pattern. Watch this video again. Make sure you're limiting your current, your future, and your past posts, and they're all limited to friends or only me. Thank you.